So hello everyone, at the RealDeal kitchen you get the Jamaican style yellow rice. So in my mixed vegetable yellow rice I actually add some turmeric and some little curry in there, you know, give it that nice kick. Yeah, so this is what the yellow rice looks like. The Jamaican style yellow rice, creative Jamaican style yellow rice. Okay. So guys, look at this yellow rice. Oh, nice and shelly. This yellow rice is so good. So good. Nice and shelly, my yellow rice. So this is my yellow rice. My yellow rice. So the RealDeal kitchen, this is a nice Jamaican style yellow rice. Flavorful.